Merry Christmas. This is my favorite time of the year. Well, actually, it's a toss-up between Christmas and Easter, because after all, if we celebrate Christmas without thinking about Easter, then we've really missed the whole point. One of the things I've noticed is that there is a larger collection of music, incredible music by composers throughout the ages about the birth of Jesus than any other one human being. That alone should make us realize how significant his birth is. And then when you think about it, everybody everywhere honors his birth because the calendar for the whole world changed when he was born. So even for people who don't recognize his importance, they still are acknowledging it. I don't know what this Christmas is bringing for you. It may be bringing some sadness. It's certainly bringing some to me as I realize that this will be a Christmas without my brother. But it also brings me joy because I know where he is and I know I will see him again. If you're feeling sad this season, then I encourage you to find someone else who's worse off than you are, and that's not really hard to do, and then figure out a way that you can give them something. It says in the Bible, it's more blessed to give than receive. As a child, I didn't understand that. But as an adult, I know it's true. And also, as an adult, I've learned that it is often more difficult to receive than it is to give. So if you're feeling depressed or lonely and someone offers to do something for you, don't say, oh no, don't bother, or oh, that isn't necessary. Say yes, and know that that is one of the ways that our Lord is bringing you joy in this Christmas season. Merry Christmas.